Welcome back, everyone. Balmy conditions out there, only 70 degrees right now. We're pulling in winds out of the southwest at 15 miles per hour. As we tighten the scan, you can see some of those pop-up showers and thunderstorms moving through parts of Mercer County. You're picking up that activity as well. We're tracking a tornado warning now for Van Wert and also Allen County. You can see as the storm just takes a dive moving through right now. We do have what's called an inflow notch coming in, getting a lot of inflow of wind, also some hail. Good Thursday evening, everyone. I'm Chief Meteorologist Jason Mikell. I want to spend a little bit more time with you talking about the severe weather threat headed for our area for tomorrow night, heading into early hours for Friday. Some cloud cover is moving into the area. Point south, though, getting some pop-up showers and thunderstorms, parts of Columbus, maybe even the Dublin area right now. Locally here in west central Ohio, things are relatively quiet, just some overcast skies. Now, I want to talk to you about the temperatures because that's been the talk of the town all week. We're at 58 degrees right now. Winds are pulling out of the northeast. Now, if you remember, for the past several days, we've had temperatures well above normal and winds gusting out of the south to southwest. Today's highest temperature just 1 degree shy of the record set back in 2000. 54, 30 degrees above the normal low temperature we had for today. 54 degrees, 24 is the average there. Now look at temperatures across west central Ohio. They are certainly to talk about something as well. 60 degrees in Columbus Grove, 58 in Van Wert, 60 out in Bluffton, 58 in Elida, 61 degrees this hour in Lafayette with 59 in Macomb, 60 there in Van Buren, 61 also out in Kenton, 59 this hour in Lakeview, 63 down in Shelby County there in Sidney with 60 degrees in Salina and 61 also in St. Mary's. Our dew point temperatures, this will be a key factor with all the others when it comes to thunderstorms moving into the area for tomorrow night. We've had dew point temperatures for the past 24 hours in the 50s and even 60s in point south. Very sticky conditions out there, even borderline muggy for some areas there. Now, jet stream also will be a key factor as we look at futurecast. Notice that a low pressure system will be tracking across the center of the country. A lot of southerly moist air will be moving in, and about 5,000 to 6,000 feet above the surface of the earth, you're going to get 100-mile-per-hour winds. So it's going to be sort of entrained in this atmosphere, and that's going to be a key factor when it comes to shear. With the shear, that's when you get the recipe for tornadoes. The lower level winds will be heading out of the south. The mid-level winds will be out of the north, out of the southwest, and then the upper level winds will be sort of due west, and that's when you get that rotation needed for tornadoes. Hour-by-hour forecasting is showing there's those storms lifting through for tonight. By the time you wake up tomorrow morning, notice temperatures still well above average into the upper 50s and even lower 60s in some parts. Middle of the afternoon, you get temperatures around the 70-degree mark, maybe even 72 is what we're forecasting there. And then around dinner time, that's when we started getting a little bit of organization with these storms. Some reds, some oranges, even some yellows and dark greens, indications of some heavier showers. And then a little bit more organization comes in around the 11 p.m. and then 12 a.m. hour for Friday night heading into Saturday morning. Notice this line here around Lafayette, moving through parts of Ottawa, Putnam County, Allen County, Auglaize County, down to even Mercer County. You're getting those lines of thunderstorms, and then it moves on out around the 2 a.m. and 3 a.m. hour for Saturday morning. Behind that, this will be a very quick moving system pulling in some northwest flow, even pulling in some light snow showers that will linger through much of the day on Saturday through the mid-afternoon. Now, this again storm will be moving about 50 to 60 miles per hour, so it's considered to be conditional. So all the things and all the ingredients need to come together at the right place and right time. So keep an eye to the sky and be weather prepared when the storm is moving closer to the area. Take shelter from the storm if needed. Listen to a weather radio. Listen to your storm authority here at the station. If thunder roars, remember, go indoors. Now, this will be a storm system that moves through around the 10 p.m., 11 p.m. hour. So everyone will actually be at home. Stay away from windows, avoid electrical equipment, and also make sure you have your phones charged so you can get information from the Storm Authority if your power goes out. Download the Storm Authority weather app. That will be a system that you can use to get information from us here as well. Pick a tornado safe room in your home. If you're driving, take the first exit, and then also make sure you get into a building or a safe place, maybe a gas station, some sort of storefront that maybe you can get away from windows and get into a safe area for yourself. The latest for tonight, moving through tomorrow, a weak cold front moves through on the loose for tonight. Pop-up showers and thunderstorms are likely in point south. Temperatures staying above normal. Mild to upper 50s can be expected. And again, that storm system moves through tomorrow night for Friday around the 2 p.m. to 2 a.m. hour, and then it will be moving out of our area. For tonight, temperatures dropping to the mid-50s at 56 degrees, staying mostly cloudy. Pop-up showers are probable. The Storm Prediction Center still has us under enhanced risk for damaging winds. Some hail reports are probable, and of course, course, a few isolated tornadoes. Just to give you a viewpoint of where we've been and where we're going, by the time we end this week, we will set a new record for temperatures in the 70s, forecasted for 72 for Friday as well, out ahead of this front. Mostly cloudy skies expected through much of the day. Some few peaks of sunshine that will help to enhance the severity of this storm. Storms are possible late yet again. About a quarter inch of rainfall is to be expected. Your full storm authority 7-day forecast and is showing that behind this front, temperatures drop back down closer to average. Again, light snow expected for Saturday through Sunday. We get more average temperatures back into the 40s expected for Monday as well, when a new system moves through midweek with the possibility for an additional thunderstorm on Wednesday.